One of the most common questions people ask me is under which circumstances drone pilots can fly over people. Hi, my name is Tom Strojnik, I'm a professional filmmaker and drone pilot from Slovenia, and during the course of my work I often need to consider how far or close I'm allowed under the rules to fly to people, whether they are involved or not in the operation. So let's first clear the air about what is the difference between the involved and uninvolved person. Involved people in a drone operation are the remote drone pilot, the observer, the operator and the customer. This last one could be someone being filmed or the customer overseeing the work. They are all aware of the flight plan and work underway with the drone, the instructions and safety precautions given by the drone pilot and so on. As a rule of thumb, the rest are all uninvolved people. They are those not participating in the drone operation and are not aware about it. Some examples of uninvolved people are spectators gathering for a sports event, a concert or a similar large public occasions. Also random people enjoying their time on a beach or in a park, walking on the streets, driving on the roads and so on. By the way, animals are also considered uninvolved, so it's better to leave them in peace. Involved people can also be those that agree to be a part of the drone operation. They need to be informed about the operation details by the drone pilot. Therefore, to be considered involved in the drone operation, a person needs to give explicit consent to be overflown by the drone and needs to receive instructions and a safety briefing. Involved people need to be informed about how to react in case of an emergency situation involving the drone. As a drone pilot, you are the captain in charge. Like in a safety briefing on board an airliner, a captain would not write a note that a drone will be used during an event and stick it on the door. This is not sufficient in terms of instructions. The only exception when you are allowed to fly over or very close to uninvolved people is when you fly a privately built drone with a weight below 250 grams or a drone purchased on the market that can fly in subcategory A1 and has a class identification label 0 or 1. In any case, they must not have a camera on board. But try to minimize the time during which you fly over or close to people. Also keep in mind that there might be areas or occasions where the national competent authority may forbid or impose restrictions on the flight of any kind of the drone. It is in your benefit as a drone pilot and for the safety of all surrounding you to be a good ambassador and show how exciting, entertaining and safe flying a drone is. Read the attached article for more detailed information, and I wish you happy flying.